Right guys, so this is just going to be a shorter video looking at a higher end trading method. Now with all higher end trading methods, we can get a lot more profit out of them, but it comes with that is a lot more risk. So we've got to make sure that we fully understand the market, we understand what we're doing, we know why we're buying them for the price we're buying them at, and how much profit we're hoping to make. So we're going to be looking at the Team of the Week investing, and specifically the one to watch cards that have made it this week. Now, before I jump into it, I just want to apologise for the quality of the cam and the thumbnail if I get around to making one. It's all new, so we're going to get there eventually and hopefully it'll improve as we go on. So the first player we're going to look at is going to be Sadio Mane. Now, before the match, he was 140,000. Then after his 2 goals, he went all the way up to 270,000 coins. If you remember a video I made recently, I mentioned how that would have been a good buy to buy him when he plummeted back down to 210,000 coins. If we look at him now, he's all the way up to about 300,000 coins. The video that I'm making now is about 3:30, so the Team of the Week has been announced, so people know he's in the video, but he was this price before this anyway, because he was so nailed on to make it. What we want to be doing is waiting until 6 o'clock. Everybody's going to try and sell their investments at the same time. Because there's so many people trying this, massive undercutting is going to take place. The prices are going to be driven right down. Then we're going to buy them at the cheapest possible point, wait a couple of days till the hype and the panic selling has died down, and then sell them on for a huge profit. The bonus we have with Mane is you need him for the BPL Weekend League if you want to run a fast winger like him, and he might get a winter upgrade as well. So we're actually getting so much value if we get him at the right price. So the second player we're going to look at is going to be Manolo Gabbiadini. Now, if you remember, he was about 50,000 just before the match kicked off. After his 2 goals, he went all the way up to 140,000 coins. Now, the hype died down, and he plummeted all the way to about 100,000 coins a couple of days after. This would have been a good time for us to invest, and then sell on again during the hype in between those 2 periods. So between the actual match and between the release of the Team of the Week. If we check him now, he's at 150,000 coins, just over. A player that's going to be 84 rated with these stats shouldn't be worth 150,000 coins, especially when the league and the nation aren't hugely desirable. So again, what we're going to do with this guy is wait for all the panic selling and the undercutting to take place, pick him up for cheap, and then sell him on a couple of days later for massive profit. The final player we're going to look at is Hummels, and he wasn't expected to make the Team of the Week. A rumour was announced this morning that he was in, and his price instantly doubled from 90 up to 180,000 coins. If we look at him now after the announcement, we can see he's extinct at 180,000 coins, but if we up it just a tiny bit to 186, we can see there's tons of him. The same thing's going to happen. Loads are going to be put onto the market at 6 o'clock. We're going to be able to pick up a bargain. Now, the bonus with Hummels is that we've got a Bundesliga La Liga Weekend League in a week's time. So he's going to be in huge demand to partner the likes of Socrates or Boateng. So if we pick him up cheap today, hold on just that little bit longer, the profit could be even greater. Now, guys, if you're enjoying these shorter videos that have just got very basic and easy trading tips in them, if you could leave a like, drop a comment, and subscribe if you're new, that would be absolutely fantastic. If we can get up to 50 likes, I'll release a video highlighting the possible Player of the Month players, along with logic and reasoning as to why each of them could win and what they need to do in their last match.